and welcome to this week's video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I've got the 12 gig of RAM with the 512 gig storage in the green colour. My previous phone was the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and I've had it for coming up to 3 years now. Absolutely loved it. Obviously due to my limited income, I have had to save for this for the last, since May last year I started saving. Big thanks to my wife and everything for seriously helping me to save for it. I'm really excited and can't wait to get out and obviously being a photographer and videographer to test out the new camera system and the new video capabilities. So let's get to this. So for the specs for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the colours are green, which is the one that I've got in here. You can also get it in phantom black, lavender or cream. It also comes in additional colours which are from Samsung online only, and they are graphite, sky blue, lime and red. Now, during the Unpacked event, I was really torn between which colours to get. I was debating between the green, lime, graphite or red. But way before the phone was announced and any leaks started surfacing, I did always say I want it. If they do a green, I'll go for the green. So in the end I went with my gut and went with the green. Now for the full specs. The screen is a 6.8 dynamic AMOLED ×2 with adapted refresh rate from 120Hz and it goes all the way down to 1Hz. The dimensions are 1440 by 3088, that's 501 for the pixel people patrols, and it's got a max brightness of 1750 nits. Around the sides, it's housed in an aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and back. The weight is 234 grams, which is around about 8.25 ounce with an 89.5 screen to body ratio. Under the hood, it's powered by an upgraded Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with octa-core 1x3.36 GHz CPU, and for the GPU, the Adreno 740. It's running Android 13 with Samsung's One UI skin on top. So what does that mean? Absolute flagship specs. There's no expandable storage slot, so you need to think hard of which one to get. Obviously it shoots at 8K, so that will take up a lot of space. As for the memory, it comes in a 256GB storage with an 8GB RAM. Then you can get the 256, the 512 and the 1TB with 12 gigs of RAM. For the cameras on the rear, it comes with a quad setup. Main camera is a 200 megapixel new sensor. You've also got the 10 megapixel telephoto zoom with 10 times optical zoom, 10 times megapixel telephoto zoom with 3 times optical zoom, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera as well. For the video specs, you can do 8K at 30 frames a second, 4K at 60, 1080 at 240 frames a second and 720 at 960 for the super slow motion. It also comes with HDR10 Plus with dual stereo. For the front camera, it's a brand new 12 megapixel, which on paper looks like a downgrade from the S22 Ultra's 40 megapixel, but has a new sensor and features dual video calling, HDR10 Plus, and can shoot at 4K 60, which is like the big upgrade from last year's. Other features are, it comes with NFC, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2. For the security, you've got the face unlock and the brand new Qualcomm 3D Sonic under the display sensor 2 with a larger area. For the battery, 5000 mAh with 45 watt charging. I can't say fast charging when other brands, I won't name them, but they do have up to like 120 watt, 140 watt charging and can charge from 0 to 100% in around 17 minutes. Apparently this takes around about an hour if you have a 45 watt charger, which we'll be testing out. Also it has a 10 watt wireless charger and 4.5 watt reverse charging, so you can charge your buds, your watch or any other phone that takes wireless charging. Right, so without further ado, let's open this box. Now I've got to be honest, I was a little bit taken aback when it came this morning. As you can see the size of it, I haven't seen it on the other channels. It's just usually just a phone box, but we'll see what it is. So it comes with the easy pull tab, nice black box, minimalistic. It's got the three cameras for the WOW. Nothing on the sides. On the bottom it's just saying it's 100% recycled. So let's get into it. So as you can see, it says like the Samsung Galaxy nights are coming. Get ready to bring the night to life with your new Galaxy S23. Boost, brighten and sharpen all the pictures and videos you capture after dark, from gigs to post-dinner drinks with AI-powered night photography. Every shot will be so epic you'll constantly be asking, can you send me that? And then here we've got your back. It comes with smart switch, so transfer your data from your old phone using our smart switch app. And also you can explore our how-to videos to help you to get the most out of the new tech. So that's Thinger. Comes with some leaflets. Obviously there are other products that they do. So that's me returns policy, because I traded in me Note 10 Plus. There's me on my paperwork, you don't need to see that. I'll keep hold of this card. Let's get the QR. Open it. There we have the main event. So I'll just put this to the side and bring this one in. So to the box. As you can tell, there's no charger in the box with the width and that. I do like the design of it. You can see the colour of whichever one you went with on the front. Dead minimalistic, just with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Like I said, a picture of the back of the phone, all the information. So, right, I'm really excited now to see this in person. So, nice easy tabs, take them off, like I said, just get them to the side. So as you open the box, comes with this black plasticky thing which comes off there, and there she is in her glory. I've got to say, first impressions, that looks absolutely stunning. The different light on it and everything, it changes different shades of green and everything. It's got a hefty weight, feels really good, really comfortable. I love the flattened sides on it, yeah, and that it does feel really nice in the hand, really comfortable, a lot more comfortable than the Note 10 Plus that I'm used to, and I believe the S22 Ultra. So you've got that on. So let's bring the Note in. So I've got to be honest, it's not the best unboxing out there, as you can see, like I said, because that's all you get. Sorry, what I didn't mention was, so underneath here comes out. So in here you've got your books and stuff, plug them and file them. You've got your cable, which is Type C to Type C, and somewhere there you go, your SIM ejection tool. So that's literally everything you get in the box. Like I said, nothing spectacular, nothing mind-blowing, but it is what it is. Now I'm happy. So, comparisons to the Note. So this is my Note 10 Plus, like I said, what I've had for coming up to 3 years. I did put my own skin on it, which I'll take off now because it's got to go back and they won't want it with the skin on. So as you can see, I have the white one. Let's bring the S23 in. As you can see from the side view, the S23 is a lot thicker, a lot flatter, and not as sharp as what the Note was. For the size comparison, it's ever so slightly bigger, the S23 Ultra, and it is ever so slightly wider as well. There's a big, does feel you can feel the difference in weight. So the Note 10 is 77.2 by 162.3 by 7.9. The S23 Ultra is 78.1 by 163.4 by 8. The Note 10 weighs 196 grams, and like I said, the S23 Ultra weighs 234. I've got to admit, I really do like the heavier feel to it. It really feels premium and really comfortable. I can't get over like the difference in it. As you can see, the thickness difference on it. At the bottom or at the top, you've got a mic underneath there, your front display. You've got the volume up and down on the side. You've got your power button, which is pretty low, which is nice actually. It fits right where your thumb is. On the bottom, you've got to the left hand side, you've got your S Pen. So you pull it out. It's got a bit of a different feel to it than the Note 10. You've got the same accent colour on the tip as what it is on the back to match. I wish they'd have done the green all the way through the S Pen, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna go put all my information in, get it all set up. Gonna use it for a couple of days, get some test shots, some photography shots, video shots and stuff like that, and I'll come back for part 2. So like I said, this is only part 1 of the unboxing of the Samsung S23 Ultra, the green variant. And depending when you're watching this, there is only a few more days to take advantage of the free upgrade scheme that they're doing. You pay for the base model, which is the 256 with the 8GB, and automatically get upgraded to the 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. That's the option I did, and then traded my phone in as well, which brought the price down. I love this frosted back on it. It's nowhere near as slippy as the Note was. It feels really sturdy and really comfortable to hold. And like I said, it doesn't dig in as you hold it. So yeah, I'd like you to thank you for watching, and I will catch you in a few days for part 2. Peace.